Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about Git Bisect. What is bisect and when we need to use this command. So suppose I have an application. So current commit having the bug. So we need to find out when this bug is happened. So using that time we will use bisect command. So let's get into the demo. So before that, consider I have application with have few commits. Okay, commit 1, commit 2, commit 3, commit 4, commit 5. So my latest commit have the find the bug. So we need to check from which commit this bug is happened. So using git bisect we can find this one. So this will follow the binary search. So it will check from each and every commit, and it will find the whether good commit or bad commit. We will use using bisect command. Currently I don't have any application to running to show that one, but to check the command is, currently I have one file. Currently I have these many logs. So I have one file, so which have the revision IDs, like this is the commit IDs. So git bisect, to start with that one we need to use git bisect start. So the wizard will be start. Git initialize the bisect one. So now we need to initialize the bad commit. So due to application current latest commit ID having the bug, so that's why we are initializing this bisect command. So we need to use git bisect bad. So it will mark as a, you need to provide the commit ID, otherwise it will if you didn't provide anything, it will take as a latest commit ID as bug. Okay, now we marked as a latest one as a bad commit. So issue has happened. Now we need to initialize the good commit. Git bisect good, and you need to provide the commit ID, which is the working one that you need to initialize. So you need to initialize in between anything. So I'm initializing my initial commit as a good commit ID. So now it should be, should be pointed to previous some version like 5.4 this version. Okay, one revision left to reset enough step. Okay, now my, if you check right git status, you are bisecting start the blaster branch. Okay, now head is pointed to this one 5406 df. So if you think this commit is a good commit or bad commit, you can give. If it is a good commit, you need to provide git bisect good. Otherwise, if you think like this commit is a bad, you just need to mention bad. Again it will point it to the next one. Now if you check git status, now if you check git log, hyphen one line, see I have only two commits. If you think like this commit is a good commit, so you just need to mention git bisect good. Now this one it is showing as a initial commit is bad commit, so it's showing like this. So which commit, if you have any application that's we can show in the demo with the errors and all, but I don't have any application, so I just mentioned what are the sub modules under git bisect. So I just used this bisect command, git bisect. If you check the status right, sorry, git log hyphen one line. Now it will show you this one. Now if you check the file, this many, this only two. So once this is the repeated procedure. So you can decide whether the commit is good or bad until you find the first bad commit, from where this bad commit is started. So once this is the finalized, you just need to exit. For that one you just need to use git bisect reset, I'm resetting that one. Okay, now previous head position is this one. Now if you check git log --- one line, it will come out of bisect mode. Now check git status, everything is working fine. Now git log also fine, git status is done. Okay, so git bisect will help us to find out the whether the commit is bad commit or good commit, from where the bug is started, from which commit id the bug is coming. So that time we will use git bisect command. So in the bisect commands we will use this thing. First initially we will help you to use git bisect start. This will be initialize the git bisect wizard. Okay, it might happening before git status. Okay, so if you mention this command, so it will be started bisect one. So once that is done, you just need to mention git bisect bad commit. So and commit id, if you didn't mention any commit id, the latest commit id is a bad commit id. So once this is done, you just need to start git bisect good commit. So you need to provide the good commit, initial good commit id. So in between it will check from this bad commit where which commit id it will be start. In between it will be check uh, it will be check in git bisect one. So now once everything is done, you just need to use the git bisect reset one. So it will be in order to exit the wizard, git bisect reset. Okay, that's all about in this bisect command. Thanks for watching. Bye.